2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. Just a little over 42,000 is all in this car. Bright rally red, ebony interior, 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the condition of this front fascia. Nice shape. You can see the paint practically looks like it's wet. Does show nice. Good gloss to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see it from every angle. Top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 16-inch chrome wheels were an option on this car. Speaking of options on the car, in with the still pictures, you are going to be able to see the window sticker. So if you want to see exactly how this car was equipped when it came from Chevrolet, check out those still pictures. And we'll go over some of those options as I walk around this car with you. You can see passenger side, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. It's a well-maintained car and it shows. Interior, again, ebony, leather, bucket seats up front. Power driver's seat, of course, center console with a shifter. For that automatic with overdrive trans. Remote hatch release, cruise control, fog lamps, power locks, windows and mirrors, keyless entry, 6-way power driver's seat as I mentioned, and then of course the leather bucket and those 16-inch chrome wheels were all options on this car, above and beyond the standard. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see the 3-piece hard parade boot or convertible top cover. We will put the top up at the end of the video here. I'll show you how it functions, up and down, show you the condition of it. And if you stick around to the very end, we're going to take this car for a drive, so we'll show you how it goes down the road too, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. If you like Camaros, maybe Corvettes, Mustangs, Trans Ams, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When they are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase from our website or right off our showroom floor, of course, if you make it in person. And as you can see, the driver's side of this car shows as well as the rest of it. No surprises on this one, folks. Rear seats, also nice shape. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. And remember, clean Carfax. Just a little over 42,000 is all. It's your power windows, power locks, power mirror switches. Power seat I mentioned. And look at the condition of it. Very nice, just what you'd expect. Steering wheel controls for radio. Of course, tilt column. All right, let's go ahead. Fire this up. Of course, 2002 would be the 35th anniversary of the Chevrolet Camaro. All right, can you see the exact miles there without the glare? Might get them to focus. I think there you can see it, 42,066. If you can't see it in this video, I know you can see it in the pictures. Gauges all working, no warning indicators, anything like that. All that is I do not have the seatbelt on, and the AC works very well. AM, FM, cassette, fog lamps, power top, ISR would be what, an anti-slip, kind of an early traction control, I guess, if you will, so you can turn it off. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice sounding car. And again, that LS1, can't beat it. Dual exhaust, of course. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped and check out the engine bay quick. Just want to let you know, it's like both of the fog lamps down below are working, as you can see. Let me go ahead and get the hood open. All right, underside of the hood, also nice and clean and tidy like the rest of the car. And there it is. Again, what you'd expect. The engine bay is extremely clean, lack of corrosion. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Mentioned earlier, AC blows cold. No surprises, folks. Once again, not underneath the hood. And look at the underside picks with the rest of the still picks. All right, let me get that hood buttoned up. I'll get this convertible top ready to put up, and let's check out the condition of that and how it functions. So power top functions as it should, as well as the power windows. Driver and passenger side. All right, up above the windshield, nice tight fit when it's latched down. This thing is in incredible shape, not really discolored. It is black fabric. As you can see, glass rear window. Not even really any dust on it at all. No rips, tears, and holes, that's for sure. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or a shower, it's going to serve its perfect purpose just fine. There you go. Kind of figured that's what it would be like considering the rest of this car. I'll go ahead and put it down too so you can see it fold up, make sure it goes back down as easy as it went up. Stick around just a little longer and take it for a drive. Remember, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro convertible in a brilliant red with, I must say, a very new looking interior in black. This car only showing 42,063 miles currently, and it feels like a very low mile car. Good acceleration from this Camaro. This is an automatic on the center console, super easy to drive. Our oil pressure is over 60. Temperature is approaching 180. We do have the convertible top up today. And it's a nice quiet ride. There's hardly any wind noise from this top to speak of. In fact, your radio working. All our gauges are working well. Tachometer, speedometer. Cruise control also working well. Very nice brakes. corners easily and doesn't lean much. Very good cornering. Something in the glove box just slid. I don't know if you heard that. That was not the car. Nice quiet ride from this Camaro. Awesome leather bucket seats in very good condition. This car looks like it has been well taken care of and barely driven, in my opinion. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.